Hey there folks, Margaret coming to you from 4155 Della Spine here in Port St. John. First of all, I want to give a big shout out to Edson for allowing me to do this video of their gorgeous home in Port St. John. I am going to surround here so you can look at the house because I know that's way more exciting than looking at me. Got a nice corner lot here. We are listed at $339, and of course, being a corner lot, we're gonna see an awesome backyard when we come in. So nice big living area. This house has been completely flipped, so it looks gorgeous in here. We do have a brand new roof on it. And let's check out this kitchen. These counters, gorgeous appliances, lots of cabinet space, awesome sink, pretty windows. Since we're here, we'll take a quick gander at the garage, and as you can see, washer dryer gonna go up there, but we have an extra large garage here, plenty of space. Always good to have lots of room for all of our stuff. Love that light up there. So, one more glance. There's your front door, your living room area. We're gonna go down the hallway here, and our first stop is this gorgeous bathroom with double sinks. Doesn't look like it in the pictures, I would guess, but it is super long. You got lots of space. I absolutely love those two mirrors. Gorgeous flooring. And we'll keep right on down the hallway here to bedroom number 1. Good sized bedroom, plenty of room in there. Same with bedroom number 2, lots of space. Definitely get a nice sized bed in there. And the master is really nice here. Plenty of room for a nice king size bed, nightstands. Check out this shower. Gorgeous shower. Love the counter. Absolutely love the mirrors they've got in here. They are so cool looking. Decent sized closet. A little bit of space there. Kind of goes way back just so you can get a good feel for it. So we do have 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, and we are at 1444 square foot. And we're going to cruise out back. We've got a awesome screened in patio area right here. We all like to sit outside and avoid the bugs. But as I was telling you, take a look since we're on that corner lot there. If you had any need to move anything into the backyard from the street, as you can see next door, they've got a nice big camper right there. So you could do the same. Camper, boat, anything you needed. We've got some fencing around the outside on the other sides of the yard, but look how huge this yard is. Plenty of room for a pool, swing set, trampoline, and take a look at that roof up there. Gorgeous brand new roof. And of course we are here in Port St. John, so you get the benefit of a great community, awesome school system. Kids still ride the bikes out on the sidewalks here. It's like kind of like when we were growing up and you used to be able to go out and, have a good time playing outside with your friends. We don't get to see that very often anymore, but Port St. John is the place that still happens. So there's one last look at the kitchen. Thanks again. If you are interested in this home, please give me a call or give the listing agent a call. We would love to get you in here for your private showing. Thanks so much, and coming to you again from Port St. John here in Florida.